Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share Turkey Pathiri or Turkey Pathal. It's a Malabar traditional snack. Turkey Pathiri with meat masala and egg stuffing and fried like momos is a great alternative for samosa. You can make as many layers as you want and you can make with meat of your choice. For the dough, we need 1 cup all-purpose flour, add enough salt, and you need to add water as needed to make a smooth dough. Let it rest for 15 minutes. This recipe we need 4 hard-boiled eggs and keep it aside. First let's make the chicken masala. For that, heat oil in a pan, add 2 finely chopped red onions, and you can add little salt. That will speed up the process. Once the onion becomes soft, you can add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute until the fresh smell leaves. I'm adding 1 tablespoon mild pepper paste. You can add green chilli chopped instead of that. This will give a nice color to the masala, and saute until the oil separates. Now you can add in Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder, Garam masala 1 teaspoon, chicken masala 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and mix it well for at least 1 minute. Add in the shredded chicken, which is cooked with salt, pepper powder and little turmeric powder. I cooked it in the instant pot. You can pressure cook it and keep it ready and make sure it's shredded well. Now mix in well with all the masala. Close the lid and cover and cook for at least 5 minutes until the mix is completely dry. You can adjust the seasoning at this point and you can garnish with some coriander leaves and close the lid. Now the mix for the our kalmas is ready. You can turn off the flame and keep it aside. After 15 minutes, you can knead the dough again and make a smooth dough, and then divide into 8 equal size balls. Sprinkle a little flour on the working surface and you can roll out the dough into small circle, or you can even use a chapati presser to do that. Place 1 tablespoon of filling in the center and topped by half of the hard-boiled egg on top. Cover by bringing the edges together and pinching in the center, and you can remove the excess dough at the tip. Likewise, you can make the rest of the dough and keep it aside. Heat oil in a kadai, and once it's hot, you can add the pathal one by one and deep fry until golden brown color. Make sure to turn the sides and cook properly, and once it's done, you can drain and place on an absorbent paper and serve it hot. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. Please try this at home and let me know your feedback. And this is a great snack, and I'm sure you will love it. And I'll see you soon back with another video. Bye. Take care.